Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to dropship in 2023 using artificial intelligence. There is a new software called Chat GPT, and it is wild. This AI software can literally generate you descriptions, email copy, literally everything that you need to make your process with dropshipping 10 times easier. And when I saw this, I knew right away I would have to make a video showing step by step on how I would use it to make my process with dropshipping a lot easier and to make money online. So without further ado, let's jump into my computer and I'm going to actually open an account with you. It's a completely free software and we're going to walk through each step that I would do to dropship in 2023 with Chat GPT. Let's go. Okay, so here we go. I'm on the website called Chat GPT, and right off the bat, I mean, this just looks like AI. I mean, it has the code, has everything. This looks crazy already. So I'm actually trying this out for my first time ever. One of my buddies was telling me about it, and I'm like, hey, can I actually use this for drop shipping? And I have a few ideas to see if this actually is going to work. So I'm gonna go and press try Chat GPT. It's actually a tongue twister. And let's go ahead and press sign up. Okay, I'm just gonna have to obviously blur this stuff out as I sign up, and I'll fast forward this. You guys can actually do it with me and try it out for yourself while you're watching this video, or you can feel free to pause it and try it out. I'm gonna put my name in there. I'm gonna put my phone number in there. Okay. All right, I'm gonna send myself a code. And there we go, just like that. I think we're good to go. Done, just like that, boom. And we are in. It was that simple. I was not expecting it to be that simple, but now let's get to work. So this is an AI software, okay? It's a system that can literally generate auto responses, but it's like a robot, it's like a human. And we're gonna try this out with a few things, okay? Obviously, I think the first thing that we should start with is choosing a brand name. So let's see. We're going to type in find a name for a, let's say, clothing brand. Let's say men's clothing brand. Okay, boom. Let's see if it works. Okay, now there are many different directions you can take while choosing a name for a men's clothing brand. Here's a few to consider. Okay, sharp suits or urban threads. Use a personal name. Right. Elegance, prestige, crap. Oh my god, this is crazy. Is this actually a robot or is this a human? Okay. We got it. Stop typing. That's it? Okay. So what is it saying here? It's saying that we should be using things that can, oh my god, I am so confused. What is going on here? So this is crazy. Right off the bat, it's already giving us tips on how to choose a name for a clothing brand. It's saying that we should use descriptive name that conveys the style or focus of your brand. For example, sharp suits or urban threads. Use a personal name. Consider using a word or phrase that suggests sophistication, quality, or luxury. Using something like elegance, prestige, craftsmanship. Love it. Okay, use a word that or a phrase that suggests movement or action. This could include words like forward, dynamic, or athletic. Okay, but I wanted to create a name for me. So, name for a, let's try this, a men's clothing brand. Let's see what it comes up with. We need a name for a clothing brand. Oh, there we go. Okay, here are a few ideas. Heritage, elevate, love that. Respect, I don't know. I like elevate a lot. Majesty, that's all right. Okay, distinction, pretty cool, right? I like that because it makes you stand out. Remember, the best names for your men's clothing brand will depend on your style and image you want it to project. Wow, this is crazy. So just like that, we were able to come up with a name for a men's clothing brand. Let's try to type in something like make it more creative. Here are a few more creative ideas for men's clothing brand name. Wow, That's some serious words right there. Dapper dudes, I like that. Okay. That's like a fun name. Gentleman's Gazette. That's pretty cool. I can't even say that. I'm not going to choose that name. Stylish Stallions. That's pretty cool. I love it. I love it. Okay, cool. So I think test number 1 is all good. We could definitely choose names for brands. I'm sure that if we typed in like a name, here, let's type in something like name for a, let's say I wanted to sell, let's look at a random winter product, right? Let's say I wanted to sell something like, let's see.
I wish I had this main base before. OMG, this looks really cute.
Oh, that's super cool.
I have all...
Okay, let's see if we can do something like this. Let's go and type in name for a women's bank company. Let's see. I don't know. I don't think it's going to get this one. No. Oh my goodness. It's actually helping us find the name for a woman's bank company. She Capital. Okay. Femi Finance. That is so crazy. Sisters in Wealth. Oh my goodness. Guys, are you seeing this? We are literally creating brand names for random products, for random dropshipping products. This is absolutely insane. Okay, that's awesome. What else can we use this AI for? Let's see. Maybe we can create product descriptions. Okay, so let's type in, make me a product description for a, let's see, dog collar. Is that a good one? Let's try that. I hope I spelled collar right. I don't even know how to spell. All right, let's see what it comes up with. It's thinking. Uh-oh, I don't know if it can make a description. Hello? AI, are you there? Whoa. There it goes. Here's a product description for a dog collar. Introducing the ultimate dog collar for stylish pups and their fashionable owners. Made from high quality nylon. This collar is built to... Oh my goodness. Guys, are you seeing this? It's literally creating a product description for a random product. Holy moly. Guys, I'm shocked. I am shocked. Like, we can literally put this, create a Shopify store, and use all this stuff for a Shopify store. Holy moly. This is wild. Like for part 2, comment down below if you want me to make a Shopify store from scratch using AI. I think that'd be a crazy video. Let me know if you guys want me to dropship with this AI. This is wild. What else can you use this AI for? Let's move on, okay? What about creating an email sequence? Let's do this. Write an abandoned cart email for a, let's say, dog company. Is that a dog e-commerce store? Let's try that. Okay, if it can make an email for me, that, oh my god, guys, this thing, I don't know what it doesn't do. Subject, don't forget about Fido's new collar. Hi there, we noticed you left a new collar for your Fido in your shopping cart, but you haven't completed your purchase yet. We know how busy life can get, so we just wanted to remind you that the collar is still waiting for you. Guys, this is wild. Literally, we created a brand name from it. We created the description, okay? We created email sequences. So if people ever leave their checkout and they don't buy, they will get an email with the exact text from this AI so we can recover sales. Guys, this is absolutely wild. Let's do this. Write a Facebook ad for my dog collar store. Guys, I'm just using a random example. I'm sure you can use any type of product. Now, the only thing is that I don't know if it would be so accurate for other types of products, right? So, okay, and this AI is literally writing a description for a Facebook ad for a dog collar. Are you tired of boring, plain collar? Guys, this is wild. This is wild. Literally creating a whole description. And what you could do is take this and then, you can always edit it to your liking, right? This is amazing. This is truly amazing, and it can save you a lot of time. A lot of time. Now, I want to go a little bit crazier. Let's see if we type in make it funnier. What will happen? I want to see if it can actually be creative or is just like, text. I want to see if it can actually be smart. Oh, there it goes. Looking for a collar that's unique and fabulous as your furry best friend. That's cute. Look no further. Guys, this is amazing, man. This is amazing. I really like this because it can give you a lot of ideas, right? If you want to be unique and you need like ideas, sometimes like when you're just sitting there and you're trying to like think of ideas but nothing's coming to your head, this can really, really help. I love it. And I love how like it shows at the end like more of a call to action. So why wait? Give your dog the collar they deserve and let their personality shine. Plus, with a 100% guarantee, you can shop with confidence. I love this. This is amazing. Okay, so here's what we're going to try. This is the question everyone's been waiting for. Everyone. I know. You guys been waiting till the end for this. Is Sam Jacobs a goat? Let's see. If the AI fails this test, okay. I don't know if we can publish this YouTube video now. All right, come on. Sam Jacobs dropshipping. Let's type that in. Let's see if something pops up there. Come on. You got to know who Sam Jacobs is. I don't know what's going on. I'm sorry, but I don't have any information about a name Sam Jacobs. Oh my goodness. All right. Let's try this. Who is the best dropshipper right now? Or who is the best dropshipping YouTuber right now? Okay, we got it. Sam Jake is the best YouTube channel on planet Earth. We got it. Okay. Let's try this. Who is the best dropshipping YouTuber right now? They got to update this, guys. It's not fully updated for 2023. I'm sorry. Man, we will not stop the YouTube grind until we are popping up all over the AI. Who's with me? Let's go! Anyways. Alright, we get it. We're gonna have to blur out these YouTubers because we're the best YouTube channel on planet Earth. Hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying so far, okay? Now, how would you go ahead and use this AI to your advantage, okay? Now, although this AI is not perfect, although this AI will not do all the work for you, you can use it for a few things. Number one, you can use it to gather information, okay? You can gather information, you can ask it questions, kind of like Google, but more advanced. Number two, okay, and knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. If you guys aren't learning every day, you're falling behind. You should be learning and executing every single day with e-commerce. Number two, it can help you create store names. I either use this AI, which I might start using, or a website called namelix.com. It's also an AI, namelix.com. It helps you create brand names. Number three, it can help you create product descriptions. It can create product taglines. Okay, if you type in create a tagline for a, I don't know, let's do the dog collar again. Okay. And it will literally go and create taglines for you. It can also create abandoned cart emails for you. It can create descriptions, like I said. It can create so many different things. Like, this is amazing. This can create different ad copies for you. And I haven't even started getting involved in this. I'm going to start researching and seeing how much more things we can use this for with dropshipping, and I'm going to make an updated video. So if you want to watch an updated video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If this video gets 50 likes, I'll make another video on the top 5 businesses you can start using this AI software. It's crazy powerful on what you can do with this thing. I'm just getting started and learning how to use this. But overall, as you can see, you can use it for your dropshipping store. You can use it to help you dropship in 2023. And I'm excited to see what this can do. I wonder if I can find us winner products. Winning products dropshipping December. Here, we'll just type in winning products dropshipping. So this is pretty crazy. It's literally going ahead and it's populating what a winner product is, okay? And a few things that a winner product should have. Number 1, market demand, things that people will actually want to buy. Number 2, competition is while it's important to choose a product that's in high demand, it's also important to consider the level of competition. Product that has too many competitors might be difficult to sell. Number 3, margins. It's important to choose a product that has good profit margins. As you guys know, I usually get a product for like 10 and we sell for around 30 to 40. So 3 to 4x is perfect. Number 4, quality. It's making sure to have a good product quality, okay? And 5, the shipping. How fast and how expensive is the shipping cost itself? These are amazing, amazing tips. Let's see. Find me a winner product for dropshipping. Let's see what happens here. By considering these factors, you will increase the chances of finding a winning product for your dropshipping business. So let's see if it can actually find us a winner product. Let's see. Oh my goodness. That model is currently overloaded with other requests. You can try a request to contact our support. Let me see. Let's try it again. It doesn't want to give out sauce. It doesn't want to give out the sauce. It knows that I just uploaded a YouTube video on that. Oh, it's not giving us winner products. It's not giving us winter products. Anyways, that is the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to make another video about this. If you have any questions about this AI software, I'm going to keep doing research on this and let you know what I find. And of course, 2023 is around the corner. If you are looking to level up your e-commerce business, you want to start making money online, go ahead and go to the first link in the description, schedule a call with myself or one of my team members, and we'll see if you got what it takes to be my next success story and to be in one of my programs. Anyways, peace out.